Hey guys, here we are at Mad Mike Summer Bash 2017. What an epic event, and we're ready to shake down the Ford Mustang RTR. So running an X-Force exhaust system, running an 1 7/8" stainless header into a twin 3-inch system. This is exactly the same system that you can buy for your road going Mustang, and the only thing different with this one is we're dumping it at the rear diff, so it's only got the center section in there. It sounds really awesome. Can't wait to get one on my road car and get out there.